The Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, is an initiative by the Government of India to create an open and inclusive digital commerce ecosystem. It aims to provide a common set of digital infrastructure and standards that enable seamless and secure transactions across various digital platforms. ONDC focuses on creating interoperability among different e-commerce platforms, payment systems, logistics providers, and other stakeholders in the digital commerce space. By promoting standardized APIs and data exchange protocols, it aims to simplify integration, reduce transaction costs, and enhance the overall user experience. One of the key objectives of ONDC is to enable small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, to participate in digital commerce more effectively. By providing a level playing field and reducing entry barriers, ONDC empowers SMBs to reach a wider customer base, compete with larger players, and grow their businesses. Additionally, ONDC emphasizes data privacy and security. It aims to establish robust mechanisms for data protection and consent management, ensuring that users have control over their personal information and can make informed decisions about its usage. ONDC also envisions leveraging emerging technologies like artificial intelligence and blockchain to enhance transparency, traceability, and trust within the digital commerce ecosystem. By utilizing these technologies, ONDC aims to mitigate fraud, counterfeiting, and other malpractices while fostering a more reliable and secure digital commerce environment. In summary, ONDC is an initiative by the Government of India to create an open and inclusive digital commerce ecosystem. It focuses on promoting interoperability, empowering SMBs, ensuring data privacy, and leveraging technology for a more transparent and secure digital commerce experience. The Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, is a pioneering initiative launched by the Government of India to foster a more inclusive, transparent, and efficient digital commerce ecosystem. It aims to establish a unified digital infrastructure that enables seamless transactions and interactions across various digital platforms. At its core, ONDC focuses on promoting interoperability among different stakeholders in the digital commerce space. This includes e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, logistics providers, and other participants involved in online transactions. By adopting standardized application programming interfaces, APIs, and data exchange protocols, ONDC enables these platforms to seamlessly integrate and communicate with each other. This interoperability simplifies the process of conducting transactions, reduces transaction costs, and enhances the overall user experience. One of the primary goals of ONDC is to empower small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs, to actively participate in digital commerce. Recognizing the importance of SMBs in driving economic growth and employment, ONDC aims to level the playing field by providing them with equal opportunities to engage with digital platforms and reach a wider customer base. By reducing barriers to entry, improving access to markets, and fostering fair competition, ONDC aims to fuel the growth of SMBs and contribute to the development of a vibrant digital commerce ecosystem. Data privacy and security are significant aspects of ONDC's vision. It aims to establish robust mechanisms for data protection and consent management, ensuring that individuals have control over their personal information and can make informed decisions regarding its usage. By prioritizing data privacy and implementing stringent security measures, ONDC aims to build trust among users and promote responsible data practices in the digital commerce ecosystem. Moreover, ONDC envisions harnessing emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain to enhance transparency, traceability, and trust within digital commerce. AI can be utilized for personalized recommendations, fraud detection, and customer support, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Blockchain technology offers a decentralized and tamper-proof ledger that can be leveraged to track the provenance of products, facilitate secure transactions, and reduce instances of counterfeiting. Through these initiatives, ONDC strives to create a conducive environment for digital commerce in India. By promoting interoperability, empowering SMBs, safeguarding data privacy, and leveraging cutting-edge technologies, ONDC aims to unlock the full potential of digital commerce and contribute to India's economic growth and digital transformation. In summary, the Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, is a transformative initiative that aims to establish an open, interoperable, and secure digital commerce ecosystem in India. By focusing on interoperability, empowering SMBs, ensuring data privacy, and embracing emerging technologies, ONDC seeks to drive inclusive growth, foster innovation, and enhance the overall digital commerce experience for all stakeholders involved. Here are some pros and cons of the Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, in detail. Pros. Increased interoperability. ONDC promotes interoperability among different stakeholders in the digital commerce ecosystem. This enables seamless integration and communication between e-commerce platforms, payment gateways, logistics providers, and other participants. It simplifies the process of conducting transactions, enhances efficiency, and improves the overall user experience. Empowering small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, ONDC aims to empower SMEs by providing them equal opportunities to participate in digital commerce. It reduces entry barriers and levels the playing field, allowing SMEs to expand their market reach and compete with larger players. This promotes entrepreneurship, economic growth, and job creation. Data privacy and security. ONDC prioritizes data privacy and security. It establishes robust mechanisms for data protection, consent management, and secure data transmission. This helps build trust among users and ensures that their personal information is handled responsibly and in compliance with privacy regulations. Technological advancements. ONDC leverages emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain to enhance the digital commerce experience. AI can be utilized for personalized recommendations, fraud detection, and customer support, improving user engagement and satisfaction. Blockchain technology provides transparency, immutability, and traceability, reducing fraud and counterfeiting risks. Cons. Implementation challenges. Implementing an open network for digital commerce on a large scale involves significant technical and logistical challenges. Ensuring seamless integration among diverse platforms, establishing standardized protocols, and coordinating with multiple stakeholders can be complex and time-consuming. Privacy concerns. While ONDC emphasizes data privacy and security, there may still be concerns regarding the collection, storage, and usage of personal data. It is essential to have robust safeguards and strict enforcement to protect user privacy and prevent data breaches or misuse. Adoption and adaptation. Encouraging widespread adoption and adherence to the ONDC framework may require time and effort. It may involve convincing businesses to adopt the standardized APIs and data exchange protocols, which could require changes to existing systems and processes. Technology challenges. Leveraging advanced technologies like AI and blockchain requires expertise and infrastructure. Ensuring widespread availability of these technologies and supporting their integration within the ONDC ecosystem may present technological challenges for certain businesses and stakeholders. In summary, while the Open Network for Digital Commerce, ONDC, offers several benefits such as increased interoperability, empowerment of SMEs, data privacy, and technological advancements, it also faces challenges in implementation, privacy concerns, adoption, and technology integration. Addressing these challenges and continuously refining the framework will be essential to maximize the potential benefits of ONDC and ensure its long-term success.